Hello, good morning. Trip for this day. I'm here at the top of the neem tree. Okay, it's the wind is blowing so hard. It's like a storm. Charot. Pwede buot ng thunder. Hala, oh my god. So, you want to look down there. Oh, so I'm here up in the tree. Okay, sana all. Downstairs, if you want to see it, okay. Problema ko ngayon kung paano ako bababa dito. But I'm going dami kong trip eh. Nong, pahula mag selfie stick nong. The view is like this. So if you go downstairs, this is what trip ko ngayon eh. Dito ako sa ibabaw ng kahoy ng neem tree. Okay, so I will transfer there sa malaki na ano. Trip ko lang to, trip lang. Sa second account ko to ilagay. Kasi yung first account ko, mga bait-baitan yung mga content doon. Nang, wala mong selfie stick di. Trip for the day. Yes, dito ako sa ibabaw ng neem tree. And I will going to transfer some. Trip ko lang. Who will fall first? Me or the cell phone or the selfie stick? Or my soul? The spirit and the body? OMG. Please. Please. Walang ma-fall down. I'm moving. Problem is how to go down. Kakaiba yung trip eh. really impressed you with tender words in harmony. I give her life more true. Wait. So, ito yung puno ng neem tree, guys. Mahulog ko dito. Ito na talaga yung neem tree din ang ano, ang gamot. Agay, kasakit sa akong lubot. Natusok. When this moment is a memory, will you remember his face? Will you look back and realize? Yes, yes, pay for nothing less than for you to love Jesus more. So, ganito lang yung vlog natin ngayon kasi wala pa tayong fund na panggastos pang fly.
Tara.
Okay, bye.